Step 1. Place the top backrest cover against the seat and feed the cover under the center seat belt. Now place the cover over each headrest and slide each headrest through the Velcro openings on the top side of the cover. If there is a tight fit installing over the headrests, you may need to remove the headrests for proper installation. Step 2. If your bench seat has an integrated seat belt, align the slotted opening on the top of the backrest cover and close the opening around the seat belt with the pre-attached Velcro. Step 3. Position the backrest cover properly in place by making sure the reinforced elastic gusseted edges are cupping the seat. Pull the top seat cover down and feed the 3 lock bar flaps between the top and bottom seat sections. Step 4. Identify your bottom seat type: full bench with no split or a 60/40 split bench seat. Step 5A. Full bench seat. Place the bottom cover on your seat and feed the gusseted polyester skirt with elastic mounting loops around the back, side, and front of the seat. Pull the seat belt buckles through the openings provided. Go to Step 6 for how to attach the elastic mounting straps. Step 5B. 60/40 split bench seat. Follow Step 5A for initial installation of bottom seat cover. Locate the split on the bench seat and unzip the bottom cover that is over the split. Attach the 2 supplied bolsters by zipping them into place. This creates 2 separate bottom covers, allowing each side of the split bench to move independently. Step 6. Adjust the bottom seat cover to your final desired position. Make sure all Velcro openings are closed. Connect all sewn-in elastic mounting straps to each other in various patterns to create tension and a snug fit. For example, front to rear, side to middle, and other crisscross patterns. Step 7. Slide the headrest covers on your headrests and make your final adjustments. Pinch and hold the small collar lock and pull the elastic band to create a snug fit. Place the excess elastic band inside the headrest cover. Tip: exposure to the sun, as well as continued use, will smooth out wrinkles over time. Your installation is now complete. We hope you enjoyed this video and take pleasure in knowing your new truck bench seat cover is protecting your back seat.